Hey, let me show you all the best features of JBL Flip 7. So first of all, we are going to start from the audio quality and the playback. So in this speaker, we can actually find lossless audio through the wired connection. So how it actually works. First of all, you will have to connect cable into the charging port of your Flip 7. And right now, you will have to grab your phone or PC and click and hold the play button when the speaker is turned on. And while holding this button, you will have to plug the cable into the port and wait for that sound. Now the speaker actually is connected to our device, so we can. Next, in this speaker, we can also find AI sound boost. So this one actually utilizes the real-time digital signal processing to enhance sound output. It will deliver the clearer and more dynamic audio without distortion. And we can also find the JBL portable application support. It's available for all Android phones, iOS phones. And now I want to mention about something that is available in the equalizer. We can find the default preset with 7-band customizable. The next feature that we can find right here, there's the stereo group party. So the Auracast feature, it allows you to connect this speaker with another speaker and create stereo channel, but also we can do this with different model. So not only with JBL Flip 7, Flip 6, but even with JBL Charge 6, for example. And you can connect up to 100 speakers. And this speaker we can also find new Bluetooth version 5.4. It gives us stable and efficient wireless connection with improved range. This speaker also is fully waterproof and dustproof. We got here IP68 rating, so you can put it under the water for 30 minutes up to 1.5 meters. There's also shockproof construction, especially right here on the left and the right side. So it's basically designed to withstand the drops and impacts. And now we can also easily remove that carry strap. In the box, there's also a hook that will allow us to, so we can attach it to something. And there's also this multi-functions buttons. So first of all, when you got the play and the pause button, so you can use this one to play and the pause. That's quite obvious. But when you are gonna tap on it 2 times quickly, you are gonna turn the next song. And when you tap 3 times, you are gonna turn a previous song. With those buttons, you can for sure change volume level. And in the mobile application, we can find a function about Palytime Boost. So it's gonna boost up sound and prolong playtime. So we can save the battery, but also increase the volume of the speaker. And you can even update software when the new will be released. And you can also turn off the feedback tone. So all of the sounds, when you turn it on, turn it off, or for example, when you enter the pairing mode.